Dreamina 2025 is an all-in-one AI creative suite designed for designers, artists, marketers, content creators, game developers, and creative strategists who want a single platform for art, animation, and branding. The suite allows users to generate high-resolution visuals from text prompts, enhance or modify existing artwork, blend styles and layers, and even create motion graphics or short animations, all in a web-based workspace that guides you from concept to finished creative asset. Key features include AI art and illustration generation across various styles, a multi-layer canvas with drag-and-drop editing, in-painting, background removal, style blending, and object integration, as well as animation and motion tools for converting still images into animated sequences. Dreamina also offers templates for branding and social media assets, such as logos, posters, flyers, business cards, and marketing visuals, along with collaborative workflow capabilities for team editing and asset sharing. The platform uses a credit-based model, with a free tier providing daily bonus credits and tiered paid plans $18 per month, $42 per month, and $84 per month that increase allowances, remove watermarks, extend resolutions and video features, and unlock advanced editing. Users praise its intuitive browser interface, fast rendering speeds, and the convenience of having comprehensive creative tools in one place, making it especially useful for social visuals, concept art, and quick branding assets. Limitations include the potentially expensive credit system for heavy users, occasional interface and performance issues, reliability concerns, subscription credit delivery problems, and customer support challenges. Professional designers may still prefer dedicated software for precise vector control and advanced color management. Overall, Dreamina is ideal for beginners and intermediate creators seeking rapid concepting and creative experimentation, while heavy or professional users should weigh the platform's costs and limitations.